Have you ever wondered what happens before that crispy, golden French fry lands on your plate? Imagine the journey it takes from the farm to your favorite fast food restaurant. It's not just a simple process, there's a fascinating story behind every crispy bite. Welcome to Inside Process, the place where we take you on a journey to discover how the products we use every day are made. In today's video, we're going to uncover the incredible journey of how your beloved French fries are made in a mega factory. From the moment a potato is picked to the time it's perfectly fried, get ready for an inside look at the magic behind the process. The journey of a French fry begins with the potato, but not just any potato. The best French fries come from a special kind of potato, known as the russet Burbank. These potatoes are famous for their high starch content, which makes them extra crispy on the outside and soft on the inside when fried. These potatoes are grown in fields across the world. From the sunny farms of the United States to the cool plains of Europe, these potatoes are carefully planted, nurtured, and harvested by farmers who know exactly how to grow the perfect crop. The farms are chosen based on their soil, climate, and experience in growing potatoes that meet the needs of giant factories. Not every potato makes the cut. To create the perfect French fries, potatoes must be the right size, shape, and quality. The larger the potato, the better, because bigger potatoes can be cut into larger fries. Farmers work hard to make sure the potatoes are uniform, healthy, and free of imperfections. After harvesting, the best of the best are picked and sent to the mega factory where the real magic happens. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, the first thing that happens is a thorough cleaning. Potatoes grow underground, so they often have dirt and small rocks stuck to their skins. To make sure they're ready for the next step, they are placed in large washing machines, where water sprays and tumbles them around to wash away all the dirt and debris. These giant washers do an amazing job, making sure every potato is spotless before it moves on. Next comes the peeling process. Now, this step can be done in two different ways. In many modern factories, automated machines handle the peeling. These machines have rotating blades that gently strip away the potato's skin in seconds. It's fast and efficient, but it's not always perfect sometimes. These machines remove a little too much of the potato. In some factories, there's still a place for manual labor. Workers carefully inspect each potato and peel away any remaining skin by hand, ensuring the right amount of potato is left. It's a delicate balance because the skin of the potato plays an important role in the final product. A little bit of skin left on gives the fries that perfect texture, crispy on the outside while soft and fluffy on the inside. The combination of automated machines and careful human work ensures that the potatoes are perfectly prepared for the next stages of the process. After all, even the smallest details can make a big difference when it comes to creating the perfect French fry. After the potatoes are cleaned and peeled, they are ready for the fun part, cutting and shaping. This is where the magic really happens. The factory uses special machines that slice the potatoes into different shapes, depending on what type of French fry is being made. The most common shape is the straight cut. The potatoes are passed through a machine that has sharp, fast blades, slicing them into long, even strips. These are the classic fries that we all know and love, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Next, there's the crinkle cut. These fries have a wavy texture, which helps them hold more of the delicious salt and seasoning. The machines for crinkle cut fries have special blades that press and cut the potato in a zigzag pattern, making them unique and fun to eat. And then, there are the curly fries. These fries are a bit more complex to make. The potatoes are sliced in a spiral shape by a machine that twists and cuts them at the same time. The result is a fun, curly fry that's perfect for dipping. But it's not just about the shapes. Customization is also a big part of this process. Different fast food chains have their own preferences. For example, McDonald's prefers thin, crispy fries, while KFC might go for a slightly thicker, crinkle-cut variety. These small differences in shape and texture can give each brand its own unique style of French fries. The machines can be adjusted to meet these specific needs, ensuring that every fry is just right for the brand it's made for. Once the potatoes are cut into the perfect shapes, They move on to an important step called blanching. Blanching is a process where the fries are briefly boiled in hot water, then quickly cooled down. This step is essential because it helps prepare the fries for the next big step, frying. The reason blanching is so important is that it helps the fries stay crispy when they are fried later. The hot water helps remove some of the potatoes' natural sugars, which can cause them to brown too quickly while frying. It also softens the inside of the fries just enough, so when they're cooked later, they become perfectly tender and crispy on the outside. But blanching is all about timing and temperature. If the water is too hot or the fries are in the water for too long, they can lose their crispiness. If the temperature isn't high enough or the fries aren't in the water long enough, they won't cook properly. So, getting the right balance is crucial. Factories use machines to make sure that the fries are blanched at the perfect temperature and for just the right amount of time. By the time the blanching is done, the fries are ready to be frozen, and they'll be all set to become the crispy, golden fries we all love to eat. After blanching, the fries are not quite ready to be packaged just yet. There's one more important step to make sure they stay crispy and fresh. This is the drying and freezing process. First, the fries need to be dried. This is because too much moisture can ruin the texture of the fries when they're fried later. To remove the excess water, the fries pass through machines that blow cold air on them, gently drying them without cooking them. Some factories also use drainage systems to let any leftover water drip off. This helps ensure that the fries are not soggy when they are frozen, and they'll hold up better during the frying process. Once the fries are dry, they move on to the freezing stage. Freezing is super important because it helps the fries maintain their freshness and quality. The fries are sent through a quick freezing process, where they are cooled to very low temperatures in special machines. This makes sure that the fries keep their shape and texture even during long storage or while being shipped to different stores and restaurants. The rapid freezing also locks in the flavor, so when you finally cook them, they taste just as fresh as when they left the factory. This freezing process is also a big part of why fries can be shipped across the world and still arrive in perfect condition. Whether you're picking them up from a local supermarket or enjoying them at your favorite fast food spot, they are ready to cook and enjoy crispy and delicious every time. Once the French fries are frozen and ready, it's time for the final steps: packaging and distribution. This part of the process makes sure that the fries stay fresh and crispy as they travel from the factory to your local supermarket or fast food restaurant. The fries are carefully packaged in special bags or boxes. These packages are designed to keep the fries frozen and protected from any damage during transport. Some fries are packaged in large bulk bags for use in restaurants, while others are placed in smaller bags for customers at the supermarket. Each package is sealed tightly to ensure that no air can get in, which helps keep the fries fresh. After packaging, the fries are ready for distribution. They are loaded onto trucks and sent to all kinds of places around the world. Whether it's to your favorite fast food chain like McDonald's or a local grocery store, these fries travel great distances to reach you. The global distribution network ensures that the fries stay frozen and arrive at their destinations in perfect condition, no matter how far they have to go. From the factory, the fries go to places across the world, ensuring that people everywhere can enjoy their crispy, golden fries anytime they want. And thanks to the careful packaging and quick transportation, when you finally open that bag of fries, they're just as fresh as when they left the factory. And there you have it. From the moment those potatoes are carefully selected to the final crispy fry that reaches your plate, the journey of making French fries is truly a fascinating process. Every step, from cleaning and peeling to freezing and packaging, is designed to make sure you get the perfect fries every time. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll take you inside the process of making another one of your favorite foods. Who knows what we'll explore next? So keep watching and let's discover more about how the foods you love are made.